Hi guys, welcome amazing crew. Join me in this video. We'll explain adding and subtracting fractions stepwise. Let's get started with a bang. We have these two fractions, 7 over 8 and 7 over 6, and we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom, so we have 7 times 6, which is equal to 42. Multiply the first bottom times the second top, so we have 8 times 7, which is equal to 56. Now just add those two numbers, so we have 42 plus 56, which is equal to 98. Multiply the two denominators, so we have 8 times 6, which is equal to 48. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.